Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you tonight. I want y'all to prep some ribs with me. Let me show you what I got. I got 3 nice, beautiful racks of spare ribs. And what we're gonna do some of this Mississippi Meat Mafia flavors on these ribs. The first thing we're gonna start off with, y'all, is this flavor boost. This has got natural umami flavor in it, mushroom powder, stuff like that. Really, really good stuff. I'm gonna hit all 3 racks with a little coating of this, all right? So that's gonna up the ante on the flavor for sure. Just get them dusted just like that. Oh, you can smell. It smells like mushrooms. Just, oh my goodness. I can tell that's pumping with flavor. Okay, I'm gonna get this the front there. We'll also get the backs. Okay. Put this right. I did remove the membrane. For those of you who wondered, you know, that's an optional thing. I like to do it on spare ribs or St. Louis style spare ribs. Not so much a big deal on baby backs, but unless you're doing it comp, stuff like that. But these are just backyard cooked ribs. All this is gonna be. Now, this is where these are gonna differ. All right, this first rack up here, all right, I'm going to use the Mississippi Meat Mafia ribs and wings rub. It's got a nice little kick to it. All right, so we're gonna go with that. And I'm doing the back first this time around. Okay. Oh man, that smells wonderful. Okay, got that all rubbed up. Now, I have taken their all-purpose or their garlic rub, okay? Basically like a salt, pepper, garlic. And I've mixed more pepper into it. I've got 1 part of that garlic rub to 2 parts pepper. This is gonna be what I call my Texas rib rub. And that's what I was doing with these, okay? So let's go ahead and just get this on here. Put that away a little bit because I don't want to contaminate that rub on this rib, but it's not really gonna matter, y'all. I'm doing 2 racks like this, Texas style. Oh, it smells so good too. That salt, pepper, garlic, all that good stuff. Now we'll flip them over, do the other side, and we'll let them rest. They are. We got the Texas style ones on the bottom, and the wing and rib rub one on the top. We're gonna let those rest and get them on this cooker and get them on Lone Star Smoker in the morning. All right, good morning, y'all. We're about to get these ribs on the Lone Star Grills Pellet Smoker. We're running about 225 over here. I've got some Lumberjack competition blend pellets in here. And let's get these ribs. Got them on the smoker. Smoke is rolling to get about 225. Put them to bed. I come back and check them about an hour. They've been on for 1 hour. I'm gonna give them a little spritz. This Mr. Barbecue Mister. This is a half and half apple cider vinegar and apple juice. All right, now I'm gonna flip them and we'll spritz the other side. Oh yeah, that's on some beautiful color. Bad boys flip. Oh, come on, put that piece of it. Cool. Okay. Put that in there. All right. We're gonna spritz down here. All right, that's all we're gonna do. We're gonna shut them down. I'll check them again in about 30 minutes. It's going by. We'll go ahead and give them another spritz. We'll let them go another 30 minutes. Check them again. They've been on for 1 hour. I'm gonna give them a little spritz. This Mr. Barbecue Mister. This is a half and half apple cider vinegar and apple juice. All right, now I'm gonna flip them and we'll spritz the other side. Oh yeah, that's on some beautiful color. Bad boys flip. Oh, come on, put that piece of it. Cool. Okay. Put that in there. All right. We're gonna spritz ribs down here. All right, that's all we're gonna do. We're gonna shut them down. I'll check them again in about 30 minutes. All right, y'all. So we have reached about 290 degrees on these ribs. Y'all come take a look. Come on in here. And now I have this base that I'm gonna put on. This is a really good stuff. This is a local barbecue joint. It's just a mop sauce. We call it clear sauce. It's just basically like a pepper, garlic, just vinegar type thing.
Yep.
And
what are we making here?
We're making ribs.
For who?
For us, huh?
Oh, okay.
And maybe some people at work if they're lucky, huh?
Yeah, they're gonna be rich.
So we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna baste them up. I'm gonna let them sit for about 10 minutes, y'all, here on the cooker. I'm gonna turn it to cool down, and then we'll be ready to plate them up, y'all. This is some other little pork pieces that I had.
All right, should I end it?
Yeah, you can go ahead and y'all. We're about to get these ribs off. Man, oh man. So look, these are the look at that. Isn't that beautiful right there? That's that Texas style. Those on the bottom there. And then I've got that the one that we dressed up with that wing and rib rub, that on top. So we'll get those off, let those rest. Got these little pieces of pork cooking for a little bit longer. Something else I got going, but I'll be back in a minute. So let's try this. Now they're done. Beautiful ribs here. I've got a rack with the Mississippi Meat Mafia, their rib and chicken rub, and then I've got my Texas style rack here with their garlic rub and the umami rub. So I really just want to kind of see what the difference is, see what we're looking at. Man, I love me a Texas style rib though. I haven't had some in a long, long time, so we just can kind of go through here and we'll just kind of give it a try. Let's see what we got here. All right, let's try this one first. Texas style. Oh yeah. Just like I remembered it. Peppery, full of flavor. Fatty being a St. Louis style. Simple flavor, and the pork definitely shines through. Let's check out this other one here. This is with that the rib and chicken rub. Let's see here. Man, just pull apart right there. Try that little piece right there. And now it's got some pop to it, y'all. I definitely taste some good flavor here. It is definitely gonna take, I mean, it's hard to explain, but it's not sweet, not too sweet. It's not too salty or anything like that. But this is a good little flavor. But it gives you a little kick of heat. Okay. Both of them really good, y'all. Yeah. Mississippi Meat Mafia. Knocked this one out of the park. And, you know, I love a good old spare rib or St. Louis style every once in a while. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless y'all. Have a good one.